Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa J5 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, which means we basically disassemble the whole machine, deep clean the brew unit that is located deep inside the machine, descale the machine, and just give it a good general cleanup. So starting with the steamer, we're gonna just form some milk and then we're gonna use the hot coffee. We're gonna do a coffee to put in there. As you can see, the froth coming out of the steam one is perfect, with good consistency, looking great. Siphoning perfectly fine, and now for a shot of espresso. Excellent water flow coming out of the machine, really good color, and just the right amount of quantity. And there you have it, Jura Impressa J5. Welcome once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.